my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are going well, and first of all I am wishing everyone a very happy Durga Puja. May God gives you every kind of happiness in your life. So in this video I am creating this look which I am going to carry on Durga Puja occasion. So this is my whole dress which I am going to wear, and this is going to be my makeup for the Durga Puja. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. Starting my makeup with this primer which is from Color Bar. Obviously I want my makeup to last long, so I'm applying this primer for that. For my foundation I'm using here L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation, and it is the shade 109. This is you can say one love for every oily skin girl, and I'm blending here with the brush which is PAC 265. The foundation properly I'm using here L'Oreal Pro Matte Compact. To highlight the center of my face, I'm using a Maybelline concealer. It is very nice kind of concealer, and I'm going to blend it with the help of this brush. Again, the same brush which I used for foundation. Now, as I've used a creamy product, so I'm baking here with the help of this Makeup Revolution banana powder. To contour my chubby cheeks, I'm using here this Elegant Pro concealer. And with the help of this Real Technique sculpting brush, I'm just blending it well. For my eyebrows, I'm using here Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and it is shade brown. I guess my friend is also trying to come in the camera. And now removing all the excess powder from my face to not look like a ghost. Now moving on the eyeshadow, I'm using here this Maybelline gel liner and applying it over my eyelid because I want to have that black smoky eyes look. So I'm applying it well on my eyelids. And now, not to look like a panda, I'm applying Miss Claire Mono eyeshadow in the shade black and blending it well just to avoid all those harsh lines. Just make sure to blend it well. And to create that soft transitioning effect, I'm using here Bad Habit Athena palette and just applying it in the crease. For my eyeliner, I'm using here Sugar I Told You So, and this is my favorite eyeliner if I'm going to make any kind of wing because the brush is very nice. Adding it to the lower eyelid just to complete the look. To carry a certain kind of highlighting, to carry certain kind of glow to my face, I'm applying here Miss Claire Shimmer Bricks. For my love part, I'm using here this Matte Ruby Woo because I don't feel like you need an occasion to apply red color. So with this smoky eye, I'm going to carry the red lips, a bold look. So this is going to be my look, my complete look, and I really enjoyed creating this look. I hope you all have a great Durga Puja. I wish you all happiness and prosperous in your life. And I have applied these false lashes off camera to complete the smoky eye effect look, to complete total look of my makeup. So if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And till then, take care guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.